Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your BeReal password. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your BeReal and click on the profiles. After going to the profile, you have to go to settings by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. After going to settings, as you can see here, you get no options to reset your password. It means BeReal doesn't give the option to reset the password. But if you really have to change your BeReal password, you can go to the Help button here. After clicking on Help, simply click on the Contact Us button. Now, after clicking on Contact Us, then click on Report a Problem. Then, you just have to select the Guide option here. After clicking on the Guide, you can see the Setting button here. You have to click on the Setting button and then select the Contact Us button. Shortly after that, open the Topics option and select something else. Lastly, you have to enter your problem in the description box here. After entering the description box, just simply attach screenshot files with the Attach File option and click on Send. Simply after sending this problem, BeReal Help Desk team will review your problem and send back the possible solution for the problem. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future contents like this.